Today we're sipping on something very light and refreshing, and best of all, simple to make.
We are making a sparkling strawberry lemongrass lemonade.
Now don't worry, we are not gonna make you go hunt down some lemongrass. We don't even know where to find lemongrass. Grey Goose just came out with a strawberry and lemongrass infused vodka.
So that's gonna be the base to our cocktail, and we're gonna be bringing in some bubbles with Fever Tree Club Soda. Fever Tree is one of our favorite brands. They are known to use high quality ingredients.
And we recently ordered their cucumber tonic as well as their elderflower tonic. If you want to try them, you can order them now on Bottle Rover and get it delivered to your door. Maybe by the time it gets to your house, you can make this cocktail with us.
Okay, let's do it.
First, we're gonna muddle 1 whole strawberry.
Next, we're gonna go in with our citrus and sweetener. We're gonna add 3/4 ounce of lemon juice and 1 ounce of simple syrup.
Next, we're adding 2 ounces of the Grey Goose Essences strawberry and lemongrass.
Top it off with 3 ounces of Fever Tree's Club Soda. Here she is.
Super light, super refreshing. Y'all are gonna love this one. Get it together.
What's happening over here? Cheers. I just want to lay out by the pool while I'm drinking this, to be honest.
I love a good lemonade, and just adding a little bit of club soda gives it that bubble, that carbonation that you need.
Give me more carbonation.
Makes you want to dance.
Yeah, this is no gun club soda, okay? This is real good stuff.
Obviously, our sparkling strawberry lemongrass lemonade is where it's at, but the beautiful thing about these 2 ingredients here, the Grey Goose strawberry lemongrass and the club soda, is that you can just mix those 2 together and it is delicious.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was thinking that too. You read my mind.
We
It's
see you,
really
Grey
good.
Goose Essences.
Go to Bottle Rover, order yourself some strawberry lemongrass Grey Goose, and live your best life.
Your best life.
Cheers.
Cheers to you, living your best life.